Can I bring multiple full-size shampoos in my checked luggage?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're addressing a common question asked by many travelers. Can I bring multiple full-size shampoos in my checked luggage? If you've ever been confused about what toiletries you can pack in your checked bags, this video is for you.
What are the rules?
The Transportation Security Administration, TSA, has some very specific rules about what you can and can't take on a plane, whether in carry-on bags or checked luggage. In the case of full-size shampoos, you're in luck. There's no limit to the size or quantity of shampoos, conditioners, or similar toiletry items you can bring in your checked luggage. That's because these rules are different from those applying to carry-on luggage, where liquids must generally be in containers of 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less.
Are there any restrictions?
Despite the lack of size restrictions, you should be aware that there are still some considerations. Airlines generally limit the total weight of your checked luggage, and heavy shampoo bottles could contribute significantly to this. Also, all items in checked bags should be securely packed to prevent leaks and spills. A burst shampoo bottle can damage other items in your luggage and create a big mess. So, always ensure your shampoo bottles are properly sealed and perhaps place them in a sealed plastic bag as an extra precaution.
Are all shampoos allowed?
Another point to note is that while regular shampoos and conditioners are allowed, not all hair care products may be permitted. Items that are flammable, explosive, or contain hazardous chemicals are generally not allowed in checked or carry-on luggage. If you have a special hair care product that might fall into these categories, it's best to check the specific rules of the TSA or your airline. So, there you have it. You can definitely bring multiple full-size shampoos in your checked luggage. Just make sure you stay within your luggage weight limits, pack them securely, and ensure they don't contain any prohibited substances. Happy packing and safe travels!